I'm going to explain about basic cellular system. Basic cellular system is used to communicate between the transmitter and user receivers, receiving user signals. So here the basic cellular system is having that is three main subsystems. One is mobile unit. One more is that is cell site, cell site. Of course, cell site, and one more is MTSO, mobile telephone switching office. This is the MTSO is the heart of the mobile communication systems. I will explain anyhow. Of course, the mobile unit is having means mobile is having that is transmitting as well as receiving antennas as well as power cells that is battery like that. And cell site is also required that is transmitting receiving antennas and power cells and MTSO. It is the heart of the mobile communication system. Mobile telephone switching office is the heart of the mobile communication system. So it will initiate the call initiations and call termination and billing activities, everything. New user connections, and everything is done by the MTSO, mobile telephone switching office. That's the reason the MTSO is the heart of the communication systems. Anyhow, I'll explain clearly. Here you can see this. This is the cell site 1 and this is the cell site 2. This is an MTSO. So I'll explain clearly here. You can see this. This is an MTSO, mobile telephone switching office. So here I want to make a call. So this is an user. So user is having mobile unit. So you want to make a call. So when the user is initiated a call, first the call is received by the nearest coverage area cell site. I am assuming. So this is the coverage area for the cell site 1. This is the cell site. So it is received by the receiver. The signal is received by the cell site, and then the MTSO will find out uh, the transmitted signal user information. What is the transmitting and what is the received signal address? Find by the that is MTSO will find out. So then the MTSO, of course, always it is having the connections, that is data links or else either wiring connection or else wireless connection between cell site and MTSO will be there. Always either wire or wireless connections are there between wire or wireless connections are there between MTSO and cell site. So this is an cell site. So receiver is having here receiver. So this is an receiver address. Here receiver is there. So here we can see this. This is the nearest cell site. Nearest cell site. So then this MTSO will find out address for the receiver. So by using this MTSO and receiver address, it will connect the call will transfer connected to the that is receiver nearest cell site. This is the cell site. This is the cell site for the receiver. So from here to here, the signal will be received by the receiver. So here, this is the receiver address and this is the transmitter address. So for example, here one more is there, that is PTSO, public telephone switching office is there. So here I am assuming this is the connection between that is MTSO, mobile telephone switching office, and this is public telephone switching office. So I want to connect a call from that is mobile to for example public telephone switching landline. Just assume this is an landline connection. So here, so then again when the user is initiated a call, first the call is received by the cell site and then MTSO will find out the address for the receiver. So here the landline address will found by the MTSO. Then the MTSO to public telephone switching office. Then public telephone switching office to landline nearest number. For example, 040 or else 08. Like this, what is the landline address? Will find out by the PTSO, public telephone switching office, and from here to switching office to receiver, the call will be connect. So like this, the call process is going on in basic cellular system. For example, if you want to make a call from here to one more country, so in that case, what will happen? So the call is when the user is this is I am assuming this is India. So in India, if you are initiated a call, the call is received by the cell site, nearest cell site, and cell site to MTSO. Then MTSO will find out the receiver address. For example, the receiver address is in USA. So then the call is connected to the nearest satellite. MTSO will find the nearest satellite. So then the satellite to again one more nearest satellite, and again one more nearest satellite. So from that again in USA the signal is received by the MTSO, mobile telephone switching office, and from there again the receiver received signal, user received signal address will find by the MTSO. So from that the signal will connect to the receiver. So like this, the communication between transmitter and receiver will going on in basic cellular system. Thank you.